Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Samsung the Frame TV remote isn't working. First of all, try charging it. You should find a USB Type-C port on the back of your remote control. Just plug in the charging cable into it and let it charge for a while, then try using it once again. Now in the meantime, you can also check the charging level of your remote control. In order to do this, you're gonna have to add your device, your TV, to your devices list in the SmartThings application. So just download the SmartThings application on your smartphone. If you need some guidance on your way, we have a separate video on our channel called how to use your smartphone as remote for Samsung the Frame TV, where we explain how to install this application, how to sign into your Samsung account on it, and how to connect your TV to your smartphone. And once you do all of that, you'll be able to open your TV menu in this application. Right from the home menu, you'll find the Frame on the devices list. And now you can use your phone as a remote control. And this way, navigate to settings, go to all settings, then go to general and privacy, and let's go to power and energy saver, if I'm not mistaken actually. Yeah, and here you'll be able to check your available remote battery and check if it's not low. If it's low, then the problem is that your remote control is simply discharged. But in case it's fully charged, or at least partially charged, and still isn't working with your TV, then you can press and hold the return button and the play pause button on your remote control for about 3 seconds to reconnect it with your TV. And you will see this kind of notification in the top right corner of the screen. Then your remote control will still try to reconnect to your TV, and you should also see a notification about it. Now, though, it takes some time for it to appear. Okay, and once you see that your smart remote is connected, you can try using it once again. And so this should resolve your issue. And if it's not, if it didn't resolve your issue, then there is probably some kind of hardware problem with your remote control. In such case, you're just gonna have to buy yourself a new one. And that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.